Monte Carlo tree search for production scheduling in matrix production. Production scheduling is a challenge for many manufacturers. Basically, it is about the generation of machine plans which determine which operation of which product is executed when, on which machine, in which sequence. To cope with the trend of increasing individualization and product variety, matrix production facilitates additional flexibility and optimization potential, for example by allowing alternative precedence graphs. The complexity of this optimization problem, however, is NP-hard. Furthermore, fast decision-making, generalizability to changing requirements, and individual objective rates must be considered along with stochastic influences such as machine breakdowns. In my thesis, I developed a central holistic decision instance for production scheduling, which is based on multi-objective Monte Carlo tree search. It automatically detects plan deviations, reschedules if necessary, and learns parameter distributions for a better optimization. The implemented MCTS approach is capable of finding Pareto solutions with respect to individual preferences within a given time. In the thesis, two novel modifications of MCTS were introduced. First, the dynamic adaptation of exploration and exploitation, which improves local optima. Second, the learning of promising combination rules for action generation. These modifications improve the objective values and the search speed significantly, while increasing the generalizability and reducing the manual configuration effort.